So wait, when was this house built? Like the 40s?
This house...
1 bedroom, 1 bathroom? No.
1955.
Wow.
6,700 square foot lot, so...
Oh, wow.
So honestly, if we can save all this, we can sand it down, repaint it, that would save us a ton of money.
But we have to make it more sturdy, obviously. All right, you go first. Wow, look at that fridge.
Wow, it is musty. Welcome home.
Wow, that's pretty nasty.
Oh, look at a vintage fridge. How dope is that?
Oh, we should keep this.
We should keep this. This is neat.
What about if we did a vintage mountain cabin? Would that be cool?
This is literally the whole house. This is the living room. This is the dining room. That's the kitchen. That's a bedroom. So
You didn't answer when I said 50s mountain cabin.
Yeah, 50s
Wouldn't that be
mountain.
cool
Yeah,
if we
super
kept
cool.
it like a old school
like vintage-y.
style? Yeah.
Like even like this paneling, I kind of dig.
I like the real wood, but can we add in some beams to make it like a really mountain cabin style?
The problem with that is it's not a huge room, so if we put beams in, it's gonna feel enclosed.
I feel like something though to make it cuter.
Let's look at this bedroom real quick.
Okay.
Wait, is this even a normal sized bedroom?
Well, what is a normal sized bedroom? We're in a cabin.
It doesn't have a
Is that
closet.
a problem? Is that anything bad or is that just
Something.
water damage or just?
Maybe. There might have been a leak.
I love this.
What are you doing, girl?
I felt something.
Hey, look, it has a fireplace.
Wow.
This room is awesome.
Look at the TV. So this cabin in the woods, it's like someone left it in the 1950s.
Oh, yeah.
So when we were walking through this house, we were thinking, well, even as a flip or keeping it as a vacation rental, let's keep those cool elements.
This is a vacation area, so whoever buys this house, there is a good chance it's gonna be a vacation rental. And in order to get the highest rents as a vacation rental, like the houses really need to stand out.
All right, sun's peeking out. I haven't been here in a while. Wow. Okay, so I see a lot of junk, which is good. Oh.
Wow.
Well, everything's cleaned, and this door wasn't here when I was here last time, because the door was here, so we closed this off, and then we added this door so that it's a private, bedroom. Mm-hmm. Is Jeff here? Jeff?
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Good,
wow,
good,
it looks
good.
great. I love this.
Yeah, doors open. What do you think of everything else?
Looks great. It's so much more open now.
Yeah, so I came up to measure for cabinets.
Okay.
You sent me over the dimensions for that mantle that you guys were
Yes,
looking
and I
at.
actually got a picture.
Oh, sick. So let's go back there.
Okay, and I want to show you what we found.
Okay.
9 feet long,
Okay.
12 inches.
12 inches
out deep.
So this is 9 right here.
So it's gonna be pretty large.
Yeah.
So it might be too big. So
Almost overwhelming.
let's cut it down to 7. Wow.
What a difference, huh?
Gosh.
So to get to the deck, you used to have to walk this way
Right.
and this way. So we rebuilt the staircase in the front.
So much better.
So we leveled this out. It would have been so nice if we did this deck right here. $55,000 to build a deck right here. And then by the time we did a hot tub, it would have been another 10.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see this.
Cute. I
Wow,
love the
it looks
door.
so good. Guys, look how cute
Oh
this
my gosh,
is.
the deck was falling over before,
Yeah.
remember?
I love the black. It's so classy.
Can't wait to see the inside. Ready?
Ooh.
Okay.
Wipe your feet.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, look at the big one.
Gosh.
It's the cutest.
No way.
Oh my
You
God,
did
it's
so
cute.
So the fridge used to be right there where those cabinets are.
Right here. I love this little bar area. I love that we have floating shelves. I love the
Cozy,
backsplash.
it's modern.
So the wallpaper is definitely different than what we would normally do. But I think for this house, it's super cute.
Yeah.
I think it fits in perfectly.
Oh, honey,
That it all good for storage.
this would be good for a vacation rental. Look at this couch right here. Someone can do a couch bed, right? So
couch
two can
bed.
sleep here, two can sleep in that room.
Two, so 6.
Yeah. Should we just keep this cabin? It's so cute.
Yes.
I know, now that I'm here and like how cute it is,
It is cute.
it makes me want to keep it. I never thought in my whole life that I would be flipping a home where I grew up.
I love that fridge.
That stove is also like the vintage vibe.
Oh, yeah.
A mountain vintage cabin.
Yes.
I love the countertops. The
Really,
backsplash is
that
amazing.
refrigerator.
Yeah, your little farmhouse
Yes.
sink.
I love it. Oh, look at this.
So when we first bought this house, we were really nervous because we thought it was only a 1-bedroom. Because there was only one room with a closet. So what we did in here is built a closet.
To make it a real bedroom.
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, it's so cute. It's so cozy.
Do you like the
and
wallpaper?
Cute. I love the wallpaper. It's so cabiny. And this is bold wallpaper, but I really love it.
So this used to be the entrance to a bathroom?
Yes.
So
This
this-
is a bathroom. Now it's a closet. Baby, I think she loves the house.
You want to live here?
All right, ready?
Where are we going now?
We spent a lot of time on the details of the house, like the older appliances, the unique hardware, the wall lights, the wallpaper. I want to show you the bathroom. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, I like it.
So the shower's half the size, but before you're able to walk like 6 feet into this shower,
Yeah.
but it's the closet now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this.
Isn't it pretty?
Yes.
And then look at the
Finished
floor. Do you like the
tile.
black?
I do.
The hexagons going in, yeah.
You guys made great use of the space.
All right, I want to show them the bedroom.
This is the primary bedroom we're going into
Yeah.
now.
This room, we went with the blue theme.
A blue thing.
Oh, okay.
Where's the wallpaper? It's right there.
I like this.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
It feels bigger now.
Yeah, it does feel bigger the way it's laid out.
Such a good job, you guys.
So do you guys like the dark blue that we chose?
Yes.
I do.
Yeah.
Let's go to the
Now
back
let's
room.
at our favorite room. Bugsy!
Come on, you guys got to see this.
Wow.
Can you guys believe this is the same house?
No,
I am just like, this is the transformation in this house.
That's the same. So that's the same place we got the bears made as the
Wow.
mantle.
So you helped her pick that out?
Uh-huh.
I love it.
I am just like overwhelmed.
So we painted these beams darker, white ceiling, and then do the paneling black.
And this is the original paneling that was in here.
Original paneling.
Yeah.
We wanted to keep originalness.
Oh, a big thing we added. This cost about $5,000.
We were trying to figure out where to add this, and we were like, where? And then washer and dryer.
Indoor laundry.
Have a washer and dryer.
Time right there. This is so important.
Yeah, it makes it a home.
Yeah,
What was
here.
it, a closet?
It
or
was a
something?
closet.
Oh, this is going to surprise potential buyers
Yeah.
because they're going to walk through the front door and think, oh, look at the living room. It's kind of little, you know? And then they're going to come back here and realize this is where they're going to hang out.
We bought the house for $200,000. We ended up spending about $130,000 though. Okay, so
You know why? Because the footing's out front under the deck.
the deck, we added the laundry. Yeah,
Yeah.
those two items right there. So we paid $200, we put $130 into it, puts us at $330. We've had about $6,000 in holding costs for the hard money loan. When we sell the house, we have about $20,000 in closing costs and commission, staging. So call it a break even here of about $355. Based on the numbers, we should be at $399.9.
No, and that's too low.
Right. I want to do $439.8.
No,
Deal?
$439.9.
Why?
Because that's what I want.
Okay, fine, you win. Let's get this thing sold.
All right, let's go, Buggy. You ready
Come
to
on, house.
Ready to go home?
Spent a lot of time and money here. Better pay off. The moment we put this cozy little cabin on the market, it got a ton of attention from people looking to purchase a Big Bear vacation home. We sold it for $411,000, giving us a profit of $55,000.